An area of a rainforest the size of a football field is being destroyed each second. Some rainforest monkeys are omnivores, eating both animals and plants. More than 2,000 different species of butterflies are found in the rainforests of South America. Giant bamboo plants can grow up to 9 inches a day. 1 out of 4 ingredients in our medicine is from rainforest plants. The rainforests of Central Africa are home to more than 8,000 different species of plants. Flying animals of Asian rainforests include frogs, squirrels and snakes.
And here's a few pictures of them flying animals.